So we have my beautiful man here. He asked for a bear spray on the size, only zero, not a skin grade one. And the top he wants to keep it a bit more up to cover the top. We'll see what bear spray looks like with this beautiful man. Watch me how I do it in the easiest way. First thing I'll do, I will set the zero guideline first. I will do it like as low as I can. But I know my client here, he likes a lower. I don't have to ask. Next step, I will shave everything off below the guideline using my zero gap. Next step, I will jump with little forward clipper, and I will do just only 1 centimeter here. Next one, if you can see, there's a gap line, like a small line between the 0 and the half. I close the clipper halfway, and I hit only this line. Next step, I will use number 1.5 level open, and I will jump with only 1 inch, and flip the clipper always this way. Next one, number 1 level open, and I will just do just before the end of the number 2. If you can see this the guideline here. Don't touch this one, just flick the clipper out. So flick the clipper just before the end of the number 2. Last step of the fade, I'm going to use half level open, and I will just try to remove this guideline here. If you can see, there's a small guideline between the half and 1/2 here. This one, once you remove it, the fade is finished. So same thing, you put like half level open, and you just flick the clipper in the middle. This kind of thing here, always try to keep as much as you can from the top. So how you do it? Cut only from the sides. Don't cut anything from the top, because as much you remove the bolt from the top, you're going to discover the scalp. Here I'm going to use some scissors to draw much between the 0 and the top.
Yep. Good. Happy? Yes, very happy. Thank you.
First choice barber.